Today, we would like to introduce a presentation of our bid for the University of Southern Maine Career and Student Success Center. Meet our team. My name is Will Garrett Foley, and I'm the project manager here at OBC. I'm a senior and have 4 years of construction labor experience, as well as 1 year of construction management experience, working as a project engineer at Structural Preservation Systems in Boston, Massachusetts. I will be completing concrete totals, specialty item totals, and assisting with scheduling. Here's Jack with his introduction.
I'm Jack Harnois. I'm the senior project engineer here at OBC. I've spent one summer in the past working as a laborer for a fence company called Mohawk Fence. And this upcoming summer, I'll be working as a project manager intern at Shinbro. And now we'll be introducing you Emma Roberts.
I'm Emma. I'm from Randolph, Maine, and I'm the chief estimator. I'm a sophomore majoring in CET, and I have developed skills in estimating from one of the area's most respected estimators, Drew Pickering. I will be covering the aspects of our safety plan and the subcontractors. Next is Ethan.
My name is Ethan Sawyer. I am the project surveyor for this project. I've attended the University of Maine for 2 years. I served 4 years in the United States Marine Corps, and I'm also going my second summer of wildland firefighting. With not a lot of background in construction, my experience here has given me the ability to learn quickly and adapt. I will be covering the critical items list and logistics plan for this project.
So why OBC? We believe that our experience, team values, and client services make us the right team for this job. Our team's collective experience in the field, office, and university's construction program has given us a strong, diverse understanding of how to do a job right and give our clients what they want. Our company values consist of site safety, quality craftsmanship, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. That being said, we care about our clients. And with PC ranking in the top 2% for construction safety, we believe our team will work alongside PC perfectly. We strive to not only meet our clients' needs, but to exceed them as well. We believe that the most important priority on our projects, aside from safety, is satisfying the customer. Our team believes that effectively communicating with our clients and maintaining a good relationship throughout the entirety of the project is the best thing you can do to make sure things go over smoothly. So I was doing the schedule, and for the schedule, we split the project into 4 phases of construction, as well as a procurement phase and a post-construction phase. Our start date is April 24th, 2023, with an expected end date of February 7th, 2025. We have about 2 weeks built in to our schedule to allow for any weather or construction delays we may experience. This was done so that we are able to meet the substantial completion date, as well as we have potential to finish the project early. We did this by overlapping certain aspects of the project that could be worked on at the same time. And we also had to plan around the weather as well up here in New England. So, for instance, you can't be pouring concrete during the winter, so we made sure that it was to be done by early fall, so we didn't run into any issues with that.
I will be going over the critical items list. Effective communication throughout the entire project will keep the project moving safely and efficiently, making time of the essence here. Transportation of equipment to the job site can reduce friction when dealing with traffic, public ways, and other companies on the job site. Organizing our trucks and crew can help mitigate this. As Jack covered, weather can be an extreme external factor that we cannot prepare for. So we strive to be flexible and actively work around expected delays in our schedule. Oversight of complex projects can result in confusion and misdirection of our workers, contractors, and subcontractors. Establishing plan briefs and chain of command early will help manage this. Vertical construction can have many different risk factors when dealing with complex engineering. Making sure workers stay focused and the complacency doesn't take over will help keep everyone safe. Our logistics plan includes a site-specific plan as well as a site-specific safety plan. Our team took into consideration several factors, which include public transportation, worker safety, public walkways, parking lots, and nearby businesses. All of that in consideration will play an important factor on the treatment of our employees, while ensuring that the everyday life of the surrounding public will not be impeded by our construction process.
I'm Emma Roberts. I'm the chief estimator. I did the safety plan for this project. I mostly covered how we will make sure all workers make it home at the end of each day. I talked about how we will follow all OSHA regulations and that all workers will be informed of the hazards on the job site. To make sure all workers know the hazards, we will make a safety meeting every morning. Because there will be cranes on the job site at some points, it is important all workers know the hazards of the job site, and the meeting will enforce that. Another big part I talked about was the PPE. All workers will have to wear hats, hard hats, safety glasses, reflective vests, and protective toed boots. There will be more specific PPE requirements for the more specific situations. Safety is our top priority, and this safety plan will make sure everyone makes it home at the end of the day. Will and I also did the subcontractors. We picked Cumberland Timber for the mass timber framing because it was the cheapest one that included everything we wanted. For millwork, we picked Stroud Water Millwork because we narrowed it down to that and the Lighthouse carpentry, but Lighthouse didn't include fire rated materials, so we chose Stroud Water instead. For aluminum, glass, and glazing, we chose Glass Professionals, not because it was the cheapest, but because it included everything we needed and the others didn't. Next, Will, our project manager, will cover the material takeoff and total project cost. You're on mute.
In our calculation of concrete totals, we utilized Bluebeam's layer functions as well as drawing details to accurately calculate concrete total cubic yardage for all footings, walls, and slabs throughout the course of the project. We found this method to be the most accurate in considering changes in the thickness, width, and height of the three main concrete components of the project. Toilet accessories and fire protection accessories were accounted for on each floor of the project, and prices were calculated accordingly with specifications. Thank you for listening to our bid pitch. We hope to be working with you shortly on the job site.